Hello guys, this is the full video of sesame soba noodles salad recipe. Yan, first, syempre mag-boil po muna tayo ng ating soba noodles for 5 minutes. Stir po natin siya occasionally para hindi po siya magdikit-dikit. Yan. Madali lang po maluto yung ating soba noodles. Ayan lang siya guys. Stir lang po natin siya. Stir lang po natin yan occasionally. Then, gawin po natin yung ating dressing. We need 1/4 cup ng sesame oil. At minced garlic na 1 tablespoon. At minced ginger na 1 tablespoon. And, kailangan po natin ng 1 tablespoon ng soy sauce. 2 tablespoon of hoisin sauce. Ayan. Tapos, yung ating mirin or rice vinegar. And 1/4 teaspoon ng salt. Mix well lang po siya. Para manuot yung at maghalo ng mabuti yung ating garlic. Yan. So, ayan na yung ating. Tapos, kailangan po ng shredded na carrots. Isang buo. Tapos, 1/4 ng ating purple cabbage shredded din. And then, thinly sliced ng red bell pepper. At yung ating 1/4 cups ng edamame. Ayan, guys. Yan na siya. Tapos, syempre, yung ating dressing, lagay na natin. Ayan na siya, guys. Ang sarap po nito. Yan. Diba? Sarap po, guys. At syempre, nalagay na natin yung ating dressing. Kailangan lang po nating toast it well. Or, yan. Toast it well. So, ayan guys. Lagyan lang po, garnish lang po natin ng sesame seeds and yung ating seaweeds. Yun. Yan guys, kapag nagustuhan nyo po yung video recipe na to, pa-like, share, and comments, and follow na rin guys for more video recipes. Thank you guys for watching. God bless!